Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I love showcasing indie brands here on my channel. If that sounds like your cup of tea or your double shot, then consider subscribing and giving a video a thumbs up. Also, if you want to see more of me, and why wouldn't you, then turn on the notification bell so you never miss an upload. I'm in my kitchen. This is going to be rushed because we're literally heading out the door, and my Boxycharm just came. This is the Boxy Luxe for December. Quite big, you guys, and it's pretty heavy too, so I'm super excited about this. Also, the angle, I'm sorry, it ain't the best. Oh, it looks like we got some good stuff. All right on top, I see the one size that is Patrick Starr's brand. This is the Secure the Blur Makeup Magnet Primer. And everything in here will be a full size. Let me know if you guys have tried this or not. A lot of times a blurring primer to me is too thick in texture, and it also peels up on me. It doesn't work well with my dry skin. So if you've tried this one, let me know. Next is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Off to Costa Rica Face Palette. I think this is the one that I wanted when they actually launched it, so hopefully it is. Oh, that packaging is gorgeous. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, I love this. So it's a blush, bronzer, and a highlight shade. I'm excited. I'm not even gonna put it in the box because I know I'm gonna keep that for myself. Oh, something else from Anastasia. Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Freeze Brow Styling Wax. Very excited to test that out. We also have a palette of some sort. This is, by Mally Beauty, the Best Dressed Lids, Neutrals and Bolds, 14 Matte and Shimmer Eyeshadows. That looks pretty. It kind of reminds me of the ABH Nouveau palette. This is very much giving me ABH Nouveau vibes, you guys, for real. That is beautiful. I think I'm going to be greedy this time around. I never keep palettes. You guys know this. But I'm going to keep it and do a look if you guys want to see a look with these products. And we have, it says Winter Luxe Box, Boxycharm. All of our deets are on the back. I don't want to look just yet. I like being surprised. All right. Dew of the Gods, The Weekend Glow Challenge. 2 lace spun sheet masks, one for use on Saturday and one for Sunday. This is a challenge for beautiful skin. I love that. It says Saturday, a cold elixir made from squalane and citrus extract designed to hydrate, tone, and restore the bounce to your skin. Yes, please. And then Sunday, a restorative and preventative skin cocktail formulated with retinol and hyaluronic acid to heal and repair. I'm taking these with me. We're going to visit Caleb, FYI. Of course, you guys will see this once I'm already, back home. Happy Derismas, by the way. I hope you're enjoying Derismas. Excited about this. I'm taking that with me, too. We still got stuff in here, y'all. Oh, lots of good stuff. Oh, my gosh. We have Herbivore Cloud Jelly, Vegan Collagen, and Tremella Plumping Hydration Serum. That sounds fantastic. I have an Herbivore oil that I have been using. Oh, I love this box, you guys. And then this is Dear Midnight. Never heard of it. Is that the brand? I think so. Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray. And it says, Set to Last Setting Spray, shake thoroughly and close your eyes. I was looking to see if it said something in particular as far as like, is it glowy? Is it dewy? Is it matte? I do want to look at it. Yeah, I know I'm keeping this because I love setting sprays. Oh, that's so pretty. Like aesthetically, that is super, super beautiful. You guys, I love this box, and it's a really good blend. We've only got like a couple more like skincare type products, and everything else is makeup. And then last but not least is my favorite mascara of all time, ever, is the Too Faced Better Than Sex. I love this mascara, and of course it is a full size. I love this box. 10 out of 10, 5 yellow hearts out of 5. All right, our deets. Herbivore Botanicals Cloud Jelly Serum. This light looks really good on me. I'm right in front of a window, just FYI. This is a non-sticky hyaluronic acid alternative serum that helps dry, dehydrated skin bounce back. Tremella Mushroom, a hyaluronic acid alternative, and vegan collagen leave the skin feeling hydrated and plump. I'm gonna need all that I can get. Okay, and that's $48. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Face Palette. This essential trio delivers a lightweight, buttery feel and seamless blend, illuminating all skin tones for a long-lasting natural radiance with easy-to-apply and buildable formulas. The Luxe Portable Glam Compact provides an unbeatable one-and-done solution for a subtle to supercharged look, and that is $58. I would not pay $58 for this. I'm just going to say that. Next up is the Mally Beauty Best Dressed Lids. Whatever the occasion or your mood, there's a shade that's a perfect fit in this 14 well palette. You'll have your pick of matte and shimmer shadows in neutrals and bold shades. Every shade works beautifully alone, and they also play well together. Use a light shade on your lids and add depth with a darker shade in your eyelid crease, or pair a matte lid with a shimmer under the brow bone and at the corner of your eyes for added dimension, and that is $45. The One Size by Patrick Starr Secure the Blur Makeup Magnetic Primer, an instantly blurring and hydrating primer that minimizes pores, evens out texture, and controls shine, all while gripping the makeup. Okay, I absolutely will not use that, and that's $30. So we're gonna put this is the only thing I'm putting in my PIF pile, y'all, so I'm happy as hell. The ABH Brow Freeze, an easy-to-use styling wax that lifts, tames, and sculpts every brow hair with extreme hold. It is your secret to feathered, locked-in brows. Set every hair in place without a stiff feel, without residue or flaking for the feathered brows that you've always wanted. I don't like feathered brows. The universal easy-to-apply wax is mess-free and provides extreme hold, leaving you with full-bodied brows that last all day, and that is $23. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. Look, you know I've been using this for a long time because I'm pretty sure when I originally started buying this, it was like 25 bucks. It's $28 now. A mascara so amazing that it's better than sex. Lies. The award-winning formula creates lashes that are full, defined, and stretched to unbelievable lengths for the most intense black, oversized, and multi-dimensional lashes, and that's $28. The Dear Midnight Set to Last Setting Spray. Lightweight, alcohol-free, and hydrating. That's what I was looking for. This setting spray locks in your makeup, ensuring that you are set to last through your day, and that is $30, and that is a new launch. And then the Dew of the Gods, the Weekend Glow Challenge. The gods of good skin challenge you to prioritize you this weekend. This weekend, you are the main character. Dew of the Gods has formulated 2 rich, luxurious, and purposeful lace spun sheet mask designed to restore your skin's bounce, moisture barrier, and youthful glow from the week that you've just lived, while also preparing your skin for the next 7 days ahead. Those 2 masks are $40. They better be good, okay? They better massage my feet while they're in the process, okay? And it also says a new launch. So I am thrilled. I'm ecstatic. You guys know if you've been here before, if you're here every month for like Ipsy unboxings and stuff like that, I rarely keep more than probably 1 or 2 items. So for me to be keeping everything in here except for this product, I am thrilled. I love this box so much. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.